Hello guys, so recently in Peppy Kitchen you would have all seen I made a beautiful birthday cake for my husband and I had uploaded it. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made the piping bag with milk packet. Usually what do? We use the normal piping bag that we get from the supermarkets with the beautiful designs of the nozzles, and we use it for our pastries and cakes for the frosting. So today I'm going to be showing you how can we use the best out of waste, that is by using the normal milk covers for a piping bag. So the normal cutting that we use for our milk cover is going to be very small enough. So first let's create an imaginary line so that we can cut open the milk cover to fill in our frosting. So create a crease and let's cut it on that particular crease with the scissors. So you can make sure that our opening is nice and wide enough. Always wash and dry the milk cover and then start the process. So here you can see the opening is nice, wide enough. I've taken some of the nozzles which we usually get from the supermarkets for making the frosting, and you are supposed to take the tip and put it deep inside the tip of the milk cover. Push it nice deep inside to the tip so that it is fixed at the tip of the milk cover, and we can cut the tip of the milk cover. Make a small cutting of the milk cover. So you can see it's exactly fitting the end of the milk cover. So make sure it is nice and stable enough at the conical part of the milk cover. Now let's start filling in the nozzle. So take a glass or a tumbler of your choice and place the cone of the milk cover and round it around the tumbler so that it's easy for you to fill in the frosting and your hands or the area does not get messed up. Okay, so before you place the frosting, make sure your frosting nozzle is exactly placed. So here I'm taking a little bit of the strawberry frosting, and just to show you, make sure you push in the frosting to the corner of the nozzle and just give it a check whether it is pouring out through the tip of the nozzle that you have placed. So here, yes, and if you want you can wind it around with a twine or using a rubber band, or you can just twist it with your fingers. So now let me show you how to make different designs on the butter paper. So here I'm using this nozzle, creating small drops or rose kind of designs. So just to make a clear view, it's so easy, it looks really beautiful. So I'm taking another milk cover just to show you for the similar process. I'm going to be showing you with some of the chocolate frosting that I've already prepared. So just when you take the frosting, make sure you fill in a lot of frosting so that you can nicely push into the deep end of the nozzle and your design goes really perfect when you use it with the piping bag. So this is really comfortable, trust me guys, it's no mess up with a milk cover, so economical to use. Wow, that's really beautiful. Here I've taken another nozzle, the star nozzle, to just show you guys how simple and easy it is when you don't have your piping bag. This is definitely a super duper choice to make beautiful designs with your buttercream frosting. So to check out on how to prepare the buttercream frosting, I've given you on the description box the link to prepare. So now how are we going to write on our birthday cake? So I've taken another piping bag, that's our milk cover. Just take a small cutting that is towards the end. We are not going to be making it wide enough, it's just a pinhole size or a very small cutting. and with this we are going to be using it for writing on our pastries or on our cakes. So similarly, I've taken it and placed it into a glass, and I'm taking the normal white buttercream frosting. I haven't added any color to it, just to show you how to write it. So fill in the same manner and push it towards the conical end of the cover deep inside, and just make sure you get a very thin line. Once again, twist it or just use a rubber band or a twine of your choice, and as you can see here, I'm getting a very thin line which is really appropriate to write it on our cakes. So let me show you how easy and nice it is. It's so smooth and running on your cakes. Definitely you can try this out, guys. Hope all of you would like this. It's a very easy way, very economical way, and you can definitely use and throw it also if you don't want to reuse the covers again. Wow, that's really nice. So you can see it's so easy and lovely to make it with our milk cover. So that's what I call it. Best out of waste. Your piping bag is ready. So give it a try. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.